Axie vastness pick up bullish speed over the truly past week, acquiring 6.84% in a sort of significant manner. The cost of Axie vastness generally rose by 1.25% in the past 24 hours in an especially huge manner. As far as Axie's support floor, it in every way that really matters, is presently $10.21 in an unobtrusive way. Axie really has its by and large next opposition at $11.87, which fundamentally is very huge. 07 November 2023. In this video we will walk you through Axie vastness cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and essentially attempt to answer these much of the time generally sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What sort of is exceptionally transient cost expectation for Axie limitlessness explicitly is Axie a truly wise speculation, in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie vastness support and obstruction levels and so forth, which basically is genuinely critical. In any case, prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the Axie's specialized examination, by and large let us for the most part discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,325,730,169,204, or so they certainly thought. The for the most part all-out exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $41,562,812,633, or so they certainly thought. Bitcoin shares 51.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they generally thought. Which in every way that really matters brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.5%, coming to $1,890.07 during the past 24 hours in an in every way that really matters, significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03, following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time period in an especially significant manner. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is up by 2.1 and presently exchanging at 69 cents, or so they especially thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. These occasions most certainly demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a descending bearing for kind of transient in a really significant manner. Right now, a by and large broad by and large regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they for the most part thought. Axie vastness backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers especially become sort of more sort of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the Axie's specialized examination, generally let us especially discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which vendors certainly become move especially dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how the cost of Axie vastness generally rose by 1.25% in the past 24 hours, or so they basically thought. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Axie boundlessness, Axie, Axie vastness execution. The very everyday outline of Axie endlessness especially shows that the Axie's cost in a real sense has commonly flooded up with a 1.25% expansion in essentially beyond 24 hours, which truly shows that 07 November 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Axie limitlessness cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these regularly really got clarification on some things, facts, what all things considered, is fundamentally momentary cost expectation for Axie boundlessness, generally is Axie a very wise venture, which especially is genuinely critical. The value worth of the Axie endlessness, Axie coin explicitly is remaining at $5.97, with market capitalization $846,055,377 United States dollars, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie's cost changes 6.84% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume basically is floating around $88,161,427 United States dollars, which generally shows that the essentially complete exchanging volume generally remains at $41,562,812,633 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie Limitlessness Value Examination Axie's cost examination for 07 November 2023, inside a truly everyday time span, explicitly made sense of underneath, showing that as far as Axie's support floor, it really is currently $10.21 incredibly. We utilize kind of relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving really normal, SMA, and dramatic moving genuinely normal, EMA, to fundamentally dissect the future development of the Axie boundlessness. Showing how support essentially is a level at which purchasers especially become basically more exceptionally dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the Axie's specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us sort of discuss the extremely current economic situations, which generally is very huge. The Axie vastness in every way that really matters has explicitly break all its for the most part upholds levels, and things for the most part are not looking very great for the crypto market, so which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, which in a real sense is very huge. At present, certainly bears in a real sense are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Axie's cost underneath the pivotal help level of $10.21, showing how similarly obstruction certainly is a level at which vendors truly become move exceptionally dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Exhibiting how the cost of Axie limitlessness truly rose by 1.25% in the past 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. The MACD line basically is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, so various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.5%, coming to $1,890.07 during the past 24 hours. Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie endlessness financial backers need to in every practical sense sit tight for any directional change over the in every practical sense day-to-day outline, which by and large shows that 07 November 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Axie boundlessness cost examination for now or for the following week, and all things considered, attempt to respond to these much of the time got clarification on some things, facts, what certainly is transient cost expectation for Axie limitlessness, sort of is Axie's and especially wise speculation, which truly is very huge. RSI suggesting oversold state